Muy buenos días a todos. Welcome to a new video. In Spanish, all nouns are either masculine or feminine. Today we are going to see singular nouns and definite articles. The masculine singular noun takes the definite article el. Most nouns that end in o are masculine. El amigo, the friend. El banco, the bank. El libro, the book. El auto, the car. El gato, the cat. El perro, the dog. Many masculine nouns do not end in o. Therefore, it's necessary to learn each noun with its article. El café, the coffee. El doctor, the doctor. El hombre, the man. El hospital, the hospital. El animal, the animal. El tren, the train. Some masculine nouns end in a or ma. El mapa, the map. El día, the day. El planeta, the planet. El idioma, the language. El drama, the drama. El problema, the problem. El clima, the climate. El sistema, the system. Now let's go to feminine. The feminine singular noun takes the definite article la. Most nouns that end in a are feminine. La cama, the bed. La casa, the house. La ventana, the window. La iglesia, the church. La lámpara, the lamp. La mesa, the table. La amiga, the friend. La silla, the chair. Nouns that end in sion, that, or tut are feminine. La canción, the song. La imitación, the imitation. La televisión, the television. La ilusión, the illusion. La verdad, the truth. La ciudad, the city. La amistad, the friendship. La actitud, the attitude. A few nouns that end in o are feminine. La foto, the photograph. La mano, the hand. La radio, the radio. Many feminine nouns do not follow these patterns. Therefore, it's important to learn each noun with its article. La suerte, the luck. La clase, the class. La flor, the flower. La luz, the light. Some endings can be either feminine or masculine, depending on whether it refers to a male or a female. The article indicates the gender of the noun. A noun ending in ista can be masculine or feminine. El dentista, the male dentist. La dentista, the female dentist. El artista, the male artist. La artista, the female artist. El pianista, the male pianist. La pianista, the female pianist. A noun ending in the can be masculine or feminine. El estudiante, the male student. La estudiante, the female student. El presidente, the male president. La presidente, the female president. El gerente, the male manager. La gerente, the female manager. Now I'm going to share you some activities. You can answer them here in the comments. Well, that was all for today. See you in the next video.